Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to discuss actually about farming. What do you mean by farming? Farming means to collecting the resources. Okay, so in the initial basis, when you are required to have a certain limit of elixir or certain amount of gold or dark elixir, then you have to do some attacks and collect in by attacking only, because the rate at which this mines as well as elixir collector collects the resources or generate the resources is very limited. Okay, so what you can do, so you have to use certain amount of troop which is uh, very much less costlier. Okay, and for that the most important troops are like archer, barbarians in the initial basis, goblins. Okay, so but in higher bases we feel little much difficulty, because you may use other troops which I am going to discuss later in this video only. But I also want to show you this good attack for farming. So he have used goblins. Okay, uh, super troops. So see how he will funnel, how he will collect all the resources. Okay, so I'm see, first of all, uh, since these goblins are invisible to my defense buildings. Okay, so it is quite easy for them to collect the resources. Okay, so see how fast they will collect. So they have started collecting. You can see almost this area is finished, and here it is still um, most of the defense building, most of the buildings are almost at low health. Okay, so see, he, within by using just 9 or 10 goblins, he was able to collect around 12,000 gold and around 1,30,000 elixir. Okay, now see, now he is targeting to get 1 star and does not lose any trophies. Okay, so what he will do, he will use a jump spell here. Okay, see, he have jump spell, some haste spell and freeze spell. Okay, so he will use a jump spell here, he will put down the haste here and deploy some of the goblins to destroy this th. Okay, let's see. See, the path is almost clear now, since there are no resource buildings nearby. uh, yes, see, you can see here, but the nearest resource building is this one. The goblins are going to get straight into the th and going to destroy the th and get 1 star. Okay, see, he have deployed the haste spell here. Okay, so the invisible goblins may get enter to the th very fast. See, almost this building, th building is half of the health. Okay, and he is not deploying all the goblins together, he is spending in groups. Okay, groups of 4 or groups of 5 goblins. See, for last goblin is going inside and it will surely destroy this stage. Okay, Since the TH is destroyed, now you can see guys, he have collected almost uh, 2 lakh elixirs, 60,000 gold. Also he have some trophies by using only 30 goblins. Okay, so in the later basis you can use this technique. Other way to funnel is that you may use electro dragons. Electro dragons are very uh, much costly in the initial basis. You may see that it is costing around 40,000 elixir. Okay, but and also the time consumption is quite long. You can see it is consuming almost 6 minutes to train a dragon. Okay, see the 6 minute. So but if you are using this electro dragons with rage, then almost some of the buildings, resource buildings, will be destroyed, and due to cascading effect of this dragon's lightning uh, attack, so most of the resource building nearby will be destroyed. So you can use this uh, electro dragon to make some uh, easy collections. Okay, but you may lose some of the trophies. You can also use, see, you can also use this uh, giants and wizard combination. Okay, so but um, as the th buildings improves, then uh, it become little difficult to tackle this type of attack. What normally people do with this type of attacks, mainly they use bomber to break the walls and then make the giants to enter, and these are followed by the group of wizards. Okay, and he used some of the gem spells, some of the rage spell to make the force uh, destroy the th or get 1 star. I will show you some other examples in uh, next videos guys. Also sometimes the heroes are used, only heroes, by using only heroes they are collecting some of the resources, and by sacrificing some of the trophies you may you may farm some of the elixirs or emergency. For example, you are supposed to use the gold, or else you will be have to wait for some time, then you may use these heroes, okay, to collect some gold or elixir or direct elixir by sacrificing some of the trophies. uh, Hope you have liked this video guys. Meet you in next video.